All right, guys, this is the current state of the upstairs again. If you've been watching all my vlogs, then you're like, girl, what happened? We just cleaned it. We went through all that, but there was stuff from downstairs, like those big boxes that all had to come up, and they were so heavy that, you know, I was just worn out, and they went the closest spot to the stairs. So what I like to do is go ahead and get this stuff cleared out of this room. That way, when my daughter's home, it's at least clean and she can kind of hang out here. I still haven't got a TV, but I may end up ordering that today. And yeah, I just have some random pieces of decor. I need her help so that I can get things into that attic. That way I can pull down the steps and then sit on the steps and then have her hand me the stuff. I don't know if that makes sense. It would just be easier because walking up the steps and then pulling something with me is just going to be too hard. So, and then I have some extra bins right here that I bought from Walmart that I need to go ahead and use, and those are going to be for my holiday stuff that's still left over in boxes. So I don't know how much I'm going to get done, and I'm also trying to focus, so I don't think I'm going to get all the best angles for you guys. So I'm just going to, you know, put you guys up on the tripod in one location and then maybe do like a speed through kind of cleaning. Completely out of breath, but it's never looked so clean. Loxie's kennel is just there temporarily. Yeah, I'm gonna have to move it. Here's the couch from the old living room, the same old pillows, and then I have pictures these pictures were in the upstairs hallway of all her friends, so it's just kind of like a wall of, you know, her memories. But she wants to update some of the pictures, and I think that we're probably going to do this wall of all the pictures of her favorite memories, because really the walls up here are kind of interesting. That wall is going to be her cheer wall. I don't know what we're going to do there necessarily. So there's her room. That's all her cheer stuff that I haven't quite figured out just yet. I need to get her uniforms and get them in shadow boxes because I want to do like her uniforms too. So just got to get that figured out. And there's still stuff all over here. It's stuff that I need to go through and organize and put into bins, you know, stuff like that, and then get stuff in the attic. But I'm gonna wait for my daughter. But just so that you can see, it's pretty clean, all things considered. You know, I'm just not quite ready to work and decorate on these rooms upstairs. They're just going to be the last rooms. You know, my daughter's living more at college than she is at home, so it's not a top priority, in case someone's wondering. But I'm super shocked that I got this done, and now I can basically relax, although I took a shower and now I'm sweating. Living room's done, my bedroom's done, I vacuumed, I'm doing a load of laundry. The upstairs is clean. I mean, well, you know, it's cleared out as best as possible for right now. And this piece, the replace piece, I don't know if you watch my other videos, but it was broken and I have to send it back, but they already sent me a replacement console table. So I don't know if it gets here today or not. And my daughter's Apple Watch also arrives back today. So I'm just glad things are getting done. It feels like a very productive day. So here's what I want to do for the rest of the day. I know I haven't done a face mask. Maybe we'll do that a little bit later, but I did wash my face and I did moisturize. But I want to go to the grocery store, just finish up the groceries. She is on her way home. She'll be here in a couple hours, and I need to go to the grocery store, like I just said. All right, so I am back from Kroger, and this is the second part of the grocery haul. I'll go ahead and show you guys what I got and tell you guys what I experienced. All right, so I just go to the store to pick up a couple of things in the middle of the day, a weekday, thinking no one's gonna be there, it's raining, there's a severe thunderstorm warning, and it was a panic frenzy at Kroger. I mean, the lines were ridiculous. There was the toilet paper and stocks of water and like all of this stuff that honestly, just from my perspective, looked like, panic from the coronavirus situation. So anyway, whatever. Yeah, so it was a really long trip waiting in the line. But anyway, let me show you guys what I got. And because there was so much going on, there was just people just like pushing carts, I was kind of like in a daze. And so this haul is kind of sporadic. I got some of these balanced snacks. I really like them, especially the natural white cheddar and the cranberries. That's really what I like to go for. So I got those. I got some more of this lettuce for sandwiches. You can see the picture there. So good. I also got tomatoes for sandwiches too. Here they are. I just get like the classic style tomatoes. I just slice them up. Turkey, cheese, I add a little bit of mayo. Comment, let me know how you do your sandwiches. I think I already asked you guys, but I need to get caught up on my comments. But I got some fruit, just the clementines. I mean, I do technically clementines, they're mandarins, the cuties. I got some more bananas because I've just been really wanting bananas a lot lately. Here is the turkey. I did stop by the deli and got the maple honey turkey breast. Half a pound. Should have gone for one, but it's all right. I'll go back. There's still gonna be turkey at the grocery store. Then I got this Naked, like these super juices. This is a berry blast, and it's just packed with, it has apples, bananas, strawberries, blackberries, raspberries, and it's no preservatives, no sugar, gluten-free, and vegan. My daughter loves these, and this is a really good way for me to like get healthy stuff into her body, because she's just, she's a freshman in college. They call it the freshman 15. I don't know if you guys have ever heard that, but basically like where you put on 15 pounds because all you do is just, I guess, eat and study, but you're not eating like the healthiest thing. I've never tried the Naked Mighty Mango. It spoke out to me. I'm just gonna give it a go. For myself, I don't know if my daughter's like really a mango person, but you get mango, apple, orange, banana, and a hint of lemon in here. Then I got some Lunchables. Again, I was just like kind of grabbing snacky type things, and I saw these chocolate chip cookies. They looked very gourmet, very delicious. It sold me. I said, okay, I'll get that. I got some more bacon just because the bacon that I got from earlier is gonna be a combination of for a pasta I make and then also for breakfast, so I just want to pick up some more bacon. You know, my daughter hasn't been home, like I mentioned. She's been probably, you know, she eats Einstein's or Chick-fil-A every morning with her dining card. So, you know, when she comes home, I want to make her like eggs and biscuits and bacon, like the southern old-fashioned stuff. Not that eggs, bacon, and biscuits just belong in the South. Just ignore me for the majority of this. I got more raspberries because your girl's crazy, but they were 2 for $5, and I said, yeah, I'll do it. My daughter loves muffins, so I got the blueberry muffins. Should I have gotten the banana nut? I should have. If you don't know what I'm talking about, there's a story time. I got another one of these cakes. I couldn't help myself. I was in this bakery aisle, and I was just kind of like watching people like zoom by in a panic, and I was like, lemon bread? Yeah, lemon bread. I picked up what I actually wanted from Walmart. I got the Danimals, but they only had the strawberry. I really like the strawberry banana combo too, but I just picked up an extra. I don't always get the sausage, but I was feeling like I want to do, you know, I want to do it up for breakfast. I picked up another skirt steak. I'm pretty predictable. Here's more from the bakery section. I'm telling you, you should have just seen me. I was just like, oh yeah, this, I almost got a full-blown cake. I mean, the amount of processed sugar that we're looking at here, it's here. This is a strawberry cream fruit bites. No. And again, another breakfast item. The last thing in today's video is the golden crispy tater tots things. All right, guys, I hope that you enjoyed this haul. I have this look on my face because I'm still just, like, I can't unsee the panic of people in this grocery store. I can't unremember that. I truly hope that they all feel better and everyone just kind of like calms and we're all gonna get through this together, honestly. Like, I'm not like the coronavirus spokesperson. So anyway, okay, that's it. I don't know how this turned into a whole spiel. Hope you guys enjoyed, and I will see you very calmly in the next video.